Hey guys, welcome back to How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your Microsoft Authenticator from the iCloud backup. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. You have lost your Microsoft Authenticator and you have backup of your data into your iCloud. In this case, you just simply have to open any of your browser, and after opening the browser, just simply search for iCloud at very first. Then after searching iCloud, this option will appear into your search. Then after that, you will also get the option of iCloud recovery into here. You just simply have to tap into iCloud recovery and then just simply sign into your Apple account. Then after that, you will get all of your backups into iCloud. Then you can easily select Microsoft Authenticator and recover it from there. This way you can easily recover your data of Microsoft Authenticator from iCloud. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.